let's go on in and check out room 1321 here at the Grand Floridian. As you enter the room, you'll see the hallway there that leads to the main room area. You picture on the left, on the right, you'll see a door. That is a lock-off. On the other side of that door is a one-bedroom, so if you were to book a two-bedroom lock-off, you'd have access to both this studio and the one-bedroom. As we move through the hallway here, you'll see on the left they have a full-length mirror, and on the right they have the standard studio kitchenette. As a microwave, has some storage above the microwave, and in the cabinet on the left you'll see you has your all your paper goods, your bowls, plates, cups, utensils. It also has your ice bucket and things like a can opener up above it there. And on the counter you have your toaster, you have your standard coffee maker. You see they offer right now Disney's 50th anniversary blend of coffee. Trez and I both enjoy that coffee. It tastes really good. You'll see they have a sink, soap, sponges, and then down below you'll see there's a refrigerator, plenty of room for drinks and snacks, things that you need to keep cold. And then up under the sink you'll see, of course, they have their trash can and recycle bin. As we move into the bedroom, you will notice on the left side of the bed there's only one outlet on the wall there. There's no plug-ins for USB or anything like that. On the other side of the bed you'll see your end table. End table just has your standard features. It has a phone on top and some light switches there. Easy access from the bed. And up underneath it, it's not the most convenient thing, but you do have a couple USB plug-ins there, as well as standard plug-ins to charge your electronic devices. Next, we're going to take a look underneath the bed here, and you'll notice that the space is not open, that it actually has two drawers underneath it, and I'm going to assume this is because Disney has done away with dressers in many of these studios that sleep 5 people. The issue is that one of the drawers is inaccessible, essentially because the end table is in the way. If you'll look up under the TV, you'll notice that where would typically be a dresser is the pull down in the 5th sleeper. Moving on over here underneath the TV, you'll notice there is a DVD player, and then just below that is the pull down single sleeper that allows this studio to sleep 5 people, 5 adults actually. I'm 5'10", and I basically take up the length of this thing if I was going to sleep on it. I've laid on it, and it's comfortable enough for me to sleep on, but if you were very tall, I don't know that it would be comfortable for you. Alright, now we're going to check out the Murphy bed. I, for one, am glad that Disney's doing away with the traditional Haida beds and the couches and replacing them with the Murphy beds. You'll see I can pull this down here with one hand. It takes a little effort, but to get it all the way down, you'd have to move those 2 tables there. But when you get it down, you have a full-size queen mattress there, and not some Haida bed on springs. It's very nice. And as always, you'll see the artwork, which is Cherry Tree Lane from Mary Poppins. Alright, now we're going to take you back and show you the bathroom area of the studio. As we go back through the hallway on the right, you'll notice there are 2 doors. Both of these actually lead to the bathroom as it's split in half. When we open the first one, you'll see the toilet and plenty of towels above it. As we open the curtain on the left, you'll see a normal shower bathtub combination. You'll see the standard H2O products that Disney offers in pumps on the wall there. And as we make our way through, you'll notice that this door shuts here for privacy should you need it. And on the other half, you'll see we have our sink and our walk-in shower. The shower has both the waterfall shower head from above out of the ceiling, as well as the standard shower head, and also has the H2O products as well in pumps. As we make our way back, you'll see the sink. You do see we have some soap and some lotion there that is in the travel size from H2O, just not the body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. So I'm going to open up all the doors here, and I'm going to kind of give you a view with everything open so that you can see all 3 doors. You'll notice that it is split and it is very roomy and luxury, and this really comes in handy, especially if you need to use both showers at one time. Maybe you're in a rush. Alright, now on to Teresa and I's favorite part of this room, which is the balcony. As we open up the curtains here, you'll see that right away, once we get the door open here, that we have a view of the monorail. Yes, the monorail. And right on cue, monorail yellow goes by. You step out onto the balcony here, you'll notice it's a nice sized balcony. It's got 2 chairs and a coffee table. Teresa and I love our balconies. We love to sit out here, have our coffee in the mornings, watch the monorail go by, look at the palm trees you see back towards the main grounds there as you look to the left, and of course looking back to the right, you get to see the monorail line. Nice walkway, more palm trees, very peaceful. Thank you for taking time to watch our room tour, and if you like our videos, be on the lookout for more Disney related content and room tours in the future.